Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to create a Borrowell account. First of all, open a browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, you'll have to write borrowell.com and hit the enter button. Then you'll be redirected to a page interface something like this. Then you can see a sign up button in the right upper corner of your screen. After you find it, click on it. After that, you'll be redirected to a sign-up page. You'll have to provide your email address. Then in the confirm email address, you'll have to write the same email address. Then you'll have to type in a new password for your Borrowell account. After that, you'll have to click on the box besides I'm not a robot. It's just Borrowell trying to make sure that you're not a robot. After you're done, scroll down and click on create account. It might take a while to load, then you'll be on your Borrowell account homepage. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.